Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today we have a brand new project. Sets of projects. We have 3 projects based on functions. I have to say that yesterday, if I remember correctly, yesterday I read about functions or I should rather say that I watched a video 9 minutes long. And after that I read something like 1 page about functions. The way I do most of my projects is like I read the basic instructions, even though sometimes that's not really okay because there are some very important new things that makes my job really easy. But as I said, the majority of projects I read the basic thing that I need to understand and I try to do them without reading more or in-depth things about them. After I finish the project, I complete the project that I have to do, then I read about little things, things that I might miss. And for this first project, we have the grading program. You have access to a database of student scores in the format of a dictionary. Dictionary, not functions. I think I said functions. I wanted to say dictionaries. The keys in the student scores are the names of the students and the values are their exam scores. Write a program that converts their scores to grades. By the end of your program, you should have a new dictionary called student grades that should contain student names for keys and their grades for values. Okay. The final version of the student will be checked. Do not modify the lines 1 and 7. Okay. Do not write any print statements. Okay. Okay, let me think. We have this. So we have to copy that. But let me copy this. Place it here. Okay. Right. And here we have the flowchart. Okay. So the first step, actually, let me copy this. Wait. Oh yeah, we have the students. I will copy this, place it down here. Wait, I think if I go from here, we'll make it. Nope. All right. Okay, so we have this dictionary. We have to write a for loop. loop the dictionary. I can make if statements for scores. Okay. So I will say here for students in student scores, this will activate the keys. Here I will make a new variable called student grade 0. So for each key, I have to access values, and I can access values by I don't think this will work, but I will try it anyway. I will say student grade plus equals student scores at the position students, because this will be the key string. Yeah, I think this will give me an error. Let's try it. Let's copy this right over here. And let's take this, test it. Okay, I'll add it there. I will make an empty dictionary. Wait. Let's make it right now. Okay. So for each item in there, student grades, the thing is that I have to access the values inside the keys. And I can access that value by asking the key. Ooh, this is it. But this is not permitted. Unsupported operand. Okay, so this will loop through every value in there. Okay. Now, I will make a new thing here and I will say just student score equals 0. I will assign that one here. After that, this is an integer. I will take this is just a check here. I can use this to check this. I can use this to check this. Okay, I will comment this. I want to check something. Neville is 2 times. Okay. All right. Now let's make if statements. If so, this activates. No, dude, I have to use this one because this one is the value. Student grades is greater than 90. Then student scores equals outstanding. Elif. Let me think a bit. Let's see. If student grades is greater than 80, then this one Actually, student scores at the position students. I have to use that one. If student grade is greater than 70. This is interesting. Acceptable. And the last one, student grades is greater is lesser than or equal 70, then fail. If this works, I line 19. Indentation. Okay, it's 62, but it has to be inside the for loop. Okay, let's see. So in line 13, I don't know what the hell I have to do with this indentation. Hmm. God damn it. This is it, right? So for each student in the dictionary above, like this, I created this variable 0 where the number is the student score at the position students, because if I print student scores for students, this will loop only the keys, and to get the values I have to activate the keys. Okay, so for each value inside this dictionary, if this number is greater than 90, then student grades at the position students, which is the key, give me outstanding, which will replace the value. Harry actually failed. Is that? No. Run, fail. Okay, so something is not right here. If the number, let's see, is lesser than or equal with 70, student grades at the position students is fail. Let's see. So we see the keys, but the values are, we see the keys, this is why. Because the number was always 0 and it gave me the else statement. I could do that same thing if number lesser than or equal with 70 is the same thing. Hermione, Jesus, 99. My God. Yeah, that's it. I think I completed this one. See, this is exactly what I say. I don't want to study in depth only after I find out and I struggle a bit. I think a bit about this problem. Now I can go back to the dictionaries and read more about them. Let's check this flow chart. Yeah, actually this flow chart is exactly what I've done. For loop the dictionary, if statements for scores. Exactly. Perfect. Job done.